What's up, everybody? Got a 3G Camaro here. It's a 1982 Z28, and yes, it does have the Crossfire injected engine in it. Now, I know there's a lot of bad reviews on this engine, but there weren't that many of them made, so I would like to get it up and running. Now, I do know that it fires because I've poured fuel in the intake and started it up, so the engine does run, alright? But I've tracked it down, and I believe it needs a new fuel pump. Alright, so I did what everybody else did, and I cut a hole, an access hole, back here in the trunk. Alright, but unlike everybody else's, the wiring on mine is going towards the back of the vehicle instead of the front. All the other videos that I've seen on this wire is going towards the front. It goes right down here, and there's a little clip down there, and you can unclip it, and then you can undo the O-ring, raise this up a little bit enough to where you can cut these lines. Then you can lift the whole fuel pump out and change the fuel pump. Alright, well, I don't know if I can get a good shot in here for you, and honestly, there's really nothing in there to see anyway. Alright, so anyway, so what I did is I jacked it up, and I came down here to the bottom. I've already disconnected it. Alright. And then I followed it up. And again, you really can't see anything in there. You can't pull it. There's no slack at all. Now, there are these clips on the line, and I'm wondering if maybe there's a couple clips up there that are holding it, or it could be that it's wedged between the fuel tank and the actual trunk itself. Alright, so the reason for this video is I'd like to know what you guys would do. Would you drop the rear end? Would you drop the exhaust, drop the gas tank, and do all that work just to free up the wire? Or would you cut the wires right here, do the job, and then when you put the new fuel pump in, splice the wires back together? So let me know in the comments below what you guys would do, and then maybe I'll do a follow-up to this video. Anyways, thanks. Have a good day, everybody.